everyone, it's Christina with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how we took this old antique wardrobe and gave it a new life. We were asked by some friends to refinish a wardrobe that had been in their family for some time. It was going to be a lot of work, but I could tell that it was well made and would be worth the effort. I started by removing the hardware, doors, and drawers. I prefer sanding to strip the furniture, so I started with my orbital sander. It was a long process to remove so many layers of paint, but the wood underneath was beautiful. For the hard-to-reach places, I used a combination of my Dremel with different bits, a heat gun, some hand sanders, and a small chisel. The chisel worked really well in the sharp corners. I removed the small flower appliques from the doors. I was able to find the exact same ones at a local craft store that I could sand and stain to match and reapply. We wanted to reuse the original hardware, so I sanded it, cleaned it, and spray painted black. Once all the sanding was complete, it was time to move the wardrobe inside for repairs and finish work. I started by applying a coat of Danish oil over the whole piece. It really brought out the beautiful wood grain, but it also revealed some crevices that paint had gotten into. I used a furniture repair kit that I purchased from Amazon to touch up these spots. The top and bottom of the wardrobe had decorative carvings that paint had gotten really deep into. I decided to go over them with black paint and wipe the paint back off of the high points. The backs of the doors had a lot of chipping veneer. After cutting the areas away so they would have nice straight edges, I used blue painter's tape to make templates to cut out new pieces of veneer and then glue them in place. I purchased a wood identification kit off of Amazon to find the right veneer that I needed. For the larger nicks and gouges, I use a 2-part wood epoxy. After it dried, I sanded the spots and used a combination of stain and stain pans to color the epoxy to match. The door had a piece of trim that was badly damaged, so I bought a new piece, stained it, and attached it in place. I also resecured all the drawers and drawer rails using small syringes to get the glue into the small cracks. Once all the repairs were finished, I went over the whole piece with a few coats of clear satin water-based polyurethane. I also decided to line the inside of the drawers and the back of the wardrobe with some decorative wallpaper. And lastly, I added a battery-operated light kit to the inside. And there it is, from old and worn to revitalized and renewed, ready to continue on for decades to come. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see our other furniture makeovers, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.